This is a Fox News alert. I'm Jason Chaffetz. We'll go right back to Hannity in just a moment. But first, a big development in the fight against COVID-19 tonight. According to the Associated Press, the Food and Drug Administration just approved Pfizer's vaccine for emergency use. This means the first Americans can begin getting the vaccine within days. Frontline workers, medical personnel, and seniors will be first in line to get the vaccine. The decision comes just a day after Pfizer's COVID-19 vaccine passed a critical milestone, when a panel of experts formally recommended that the FDA authorize the vaccine. Officials expect 2.9 million doses will be distributed around the United States over the next week. The United States authorization of Pfizer's vaccine is expected to be followed soon by one for Moderna's version, which uses similar technology and has also shown promising results in clinical trials. Well, joining us now with the reaction is Fox News medical contributor Dr. Nicole Saphier. Dr. Saphier, thank you for joining us. Operation Warp Speed really made this come to fruition in record time. Is this safe, and how quickly will America start to see the results of this incredible work?
Well, Jason, all I can say is it's about time. We've been waiting for this. Pfizer has demonstrated incredible efficacy, 95% for this vaccine, blew us out of the water in terms of our expectations, and it also has proven that it is safe. Back this week said that they're ready for it to go. The FDA looked at everything, and now they are finally issuing their EUA. And through Operation Warp Speed, they said within 24 hours they are ready to start shipping out this vaccine to millions of Americans. And all I can say is let's get the vaccine in as many people as possible as we can. I anticipate millions of Americans will be vaccinated next week. And as you mentioned, next Thursday, the FDA is meeting again to talk about the Moderna vaccine. So that's going to be even more millions of doses. We are going to have tens of millions of Americans with their first injection of this vaccine before the end of 2020. Jason, that is incredible. Has never happened before.
Yeah, it really is an incredible amount of time. Now, if you get the vaccine, it comes in two steps, right? You go and get the first shot, and then you come back and get a second shot. Are you safe from COVID after that first shot?
Well, so, Jason, here's the thing. Pfizer has said that they're able to give Americans 25 million doses by the end of 2020. I say, rather than halting that and saying we're only going to vaccinate 12.5 million Americans, I think we need to vaccinate as many Americans as we possibly can with this first shipment. And let me tell you why. The Pfizer vaccine, they have come showing data that after that first dose, there's over 50% efficacy in terms of immunity. Now, that hasn't been studied, so they can't say for certain that people can only have one dose, but they have proven that there is some level of immunity which exceeds that of the flu vaccine every year. Remember, that ranges between 30 and 50%. So they're saying after their first dose, they're at 53%. So that's higher than most flu seasons. However, the recommendation, of course, is to get that second dose, because that second dose 3 weeks later takes you from 53% to 95%. That number is incredible, Jason. I don't think people really understand just how amazing that 95% efficacy is when it comes to vaccines.
No, it truly is amazing. Dr. Saphier, thank you for joining us tonight.